What happens when a sleeping giant wakes up? You're about to find out. In the cutthroat world of semiconductors where innovation moves at the speed of light, one company has just pulled off the unthinkable, dethroning the reigning champion and sending shockwaves through the entire tech industry. This seismic shift has left analysts and investors scrambling to understand how this underdog managed to topple a giant. We're talking billions of dollars up for grabs, and this underdog just swiped the crown. But how did they do it? What strategies did they employ to outmaneuver a titan like Nvidia? In this video, we're diving deep into the incredible story of how this happened. We'll break down the epic rise of this semiconductor titan, a company once left for dead, now a leader in cutting-edge chip technology. We'll explore the key innovations and strategic decisions that fueled their meteoric rise. We'll also analyze what this means for the former industry giant, a pioneer in graphics and AI, and whether they have what it takes to reclaim their throne. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. We're talking about potentially life-changing investment opportunities here, so hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Today's video is sponsored by my good friends at Forecaster Terminal, the best stocks analysis software I use in finding these incredible stocks. More on that later. Alright, let's break down this Silicon Showdown. It's a tale of innovation, missed opportunities, and dramatic comebacks. We're talking about Intel Corporation, ticker symbol INTC, the OG chip giant, a company that has been a cornerstone of the tech industry for decades. A company that's been around since the dawn of the personal computer, shaping the very foundation of modern computing. For years they were the undisputed kings of the CPU, the central processing unit, the brains of every computer, the CPUs that powered everything from early desktops to the most advanced servers. But then, something interesting happened. The tech landscape began to shift. The world shifted to mobile, with smartphones and tablets becoming the new computing powerhouses. And Intel, well, they kinda missed the memo. They were slow to adapt to this new mobile-first world. Their chips, designed for power-hungry desktops, weren't a good fit for sleek smartphones and tablets. These devices required energy-efficient designs, something Intel's chips struggled to deliver. Meanwhile, a little company called ARM was quietly taking over the mobile world with its energy-efficient designs. ARM's architecture became the backbone of nearly every smartphone and tablet. And then there was Nvidia, a company that made its name in graphics cards for gaming. Nvidia saw the future, a future where AI and data centers would rule the world, and they went all in on GPUs, chips specifically designed for those tasks. They invested heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what GPUs could do. Nvidia's stock exploded, making them the darling of Wall Street. Their GPUs became the go-to choice for AI researchers and data center operators. Nvidia's success was meteoric, and their stock price reflected that, soaring to new heights. Intel, on the other hand, seemed stuck in the past. Their mobile efforts flopped, their manufacturing technology fell behind, and their stock price stagnated. Investors started to wonder, had Intel lost its edge? The once mighty giant was now struggling to keep up with the rapid pace of technological change. Investors started to wonder, had Intel lost its edge? Was the company that once defined the industry now destined to be a relic of the past? But here's the thing about giants. They might stumble, but they don't go down easily. Intel still had massive resources, a global manufacturing footprint, and decades of engineering expertise. They had the tools to stage a comeback. Intel has shocked the market, emerging as the best-performing semiconductor stock in 2025. Just last year, it was the worst performer in the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, with shares plummeting 60%. But in 2025, Intel has staged a dramatic comeback, surging nearly 30% year-to-date, outpacing Nvidia and Broadcom. So what's driving this turnaround? Investors are gaining confidence in Intel's new management, its strategic shift, and the growing potential for semiconductor manufacturing in the US. Intel's resurgence began with the hiring of 𝗗𝗚𝗏 as CEO, a move signaling a renewed focus on operational efficiency. There are expectations that Intel's foundry services could rival competitors like TSMC, potentially enhancing market share and valuation. The company is still struggling with profitability, but investors are betting on its AI and chip production strategy to drive long-term growth. But the big question remains, can this rally be sustained, or is Intel still a risky bet? 𝗗𝗚𝗏's plans include a restructuring of the company to streamline operations and focus on areas such as artificial intelligence and manufacturing. Reports suggest he aims to reduce a bloated middle management structure to enhance efficiency. The stock has been volatile, trading in a 52-week range between $18.51 and $45.41. After hitting a low in late 2024, it has rebounded to around $26, up 29% this year. But even with this recovery, Intel is still far from its highs, reflecting concerns about its declining market share to Taiwan Semiconductor and AMD. Let's talk valuation. Intel's price-to-sales ratio sits at 1.96x, far lower than high-growth chipmakers like Nvidia, but in line with its ongoing profitability struggles. Its price-to-book ratio is just 0.98x, and its return on equity is negative at -3.27%. Even more concerning, its profit margins remain deeply in the red at -35.32%, underscoring the challenges in executing its turnaround strategy. But there is one bright spot. Intel just beat earnings estimates. The company reported a fourth-quarter loss per share of 3 cents, outperforming Wall Street's expected loss of 4 cents. While this is still a loss, it suggests that Intel may finally be stabilizing. Looking back at 2024, Intel's earnings were rough. It missed expectations in the first quarter with an EPS of 9 cents. In Q2, it reported a much worse, 38 cents, far below estimates. The third quarter was even more brutal with a staggering $3.88 loss per share, but by Q4 the losses had narrowed significantly. Despite these struggles, Intel is betting big on AI chips and government-backed semiconductor manufacturing in the US. It's making significant investments in domestic fabrication to reduce its reliance on Taiwan and China. So what do analysts think? The consensus rating on Intel is a hold. Sentiment has slightly improved, but many analysts remain cautious due to the company's financial struggles and intense competition from Taiwan Semiconductor and AMD. Over the past 3 months, Intel's analyst rating has stayed steady, moving from 2.76 to 2.78. Right now, 31 analysts rate it as a hold, 1 sees it as a strong buy, and 5 have given it a strong sell. The average price target is $24.43. But here's the wild card. The highest target is $62, which would be a massive 138% increase from where it stands today. Their stock price, which had been on a tear for years, took a nosedive. The king had been dethroned. So, what does this mean for investors? Well, first of all, it's a reminder that in the tech world, no lead is insurmountable. Companies that seem unbeatable today can quickly fall behind if they don't keep innovating. Second, it shows the power of a good turnaround story. Intel was left for dead by many, but they proved that with the right leadership, the right strategy, and a whole lot of hard work, even a giant can get back on its feet. And finally, it highlights the importance of doing your research. Don't just blindly follow the hype. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, a clear vision for the future, and the ability to execute on their plans. Those are the companies that are most likely to succeed in the long run. The tech industry is a fast-paced, ever-evolving battlefield. Giants like Intel and Nvidia will continue to clash, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible. And as they do, the real winners will be the consumers and businesses that benefit from their relentless drive to create the next big thing. So, keep an eye on these tech titans. Their battle for dominance is far from over and the stakes have never been higher. As Intel and Nvidia continue to innovate and compete, the landscape of technology will keep evolving, bringing new opportunities and challenges. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The race for silicon supremacy is on, and it's going to be an exciting ride. So whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves a good comeback story, stay tuned. The best is yet to come. Intel's comeback is a testament to the ever-evolving tech landscape. Over the past few years, the semiconductor industry has seen dramatic shifts with new players emerging and old giants reasserting their dominance. Intel, once the undisputed leader, faced significant challenges from competitors like AMD and Nvidia. However, through strategic investments in research and development and a renewed focus on cutting-edge technology, Intel has managed to regain its footing. This resurgence is not just about reclaiming market share, it's about setting the stage for the next era of technological innovation. It's a reminder that innovation never sleeps, and the pace of technological advancement is relentless. In today's world, companies must continuously innovate to stay relevant. The tech landscape is littered with examples of once dominant firms that failed to adapt and were left behind. Intel's story is a powerful example of how resilience and a commitment to innovation can lead to a remarkable turnaround. And the companies that can adapt and evolve will be the ones that thrive. This is especially true in the semiconductor industry, where the stakes are incredibly high. The demand for faster, more efficient chips is insatiable, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. Companies that can anticipate these trends and develop products that meet the needs of tomorrow will be the ones that lead the industry. This is just the beginning of a new chapter in the chip wars. The competition between semiconductor giants is heating up, and the innovations we see today are just the tip of the iceberg. As companies like Intel and Nvidia push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking advancements in the near future. Both Intel and Nvidia are formidable competitors, and they're not going to give up without a fight. Each company brings its own strengths to the table, and their rivalry is driving the entire industry forward. Intel's focus on manufacturing excellence and Nvidia's prowess in graphics and AI are setting the stage for an epic battle that will shape the future of technology. The real winners in all of this will be the consumers, who will benefit from the incredible innovation and competition in the semiconductor industry. As companies strive to outdo each other, we can expect to see more powerful, efficient, and affordable tech products hitting the market. From faster smartphones to smarter home devices, the advancements in semiconductor technology will enhance our daily lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. If you want to take your investing to the next level, Forecaster is the ultimate tool I trust to find incredible stocks like these. Forecaster provides in-depth analysis, real-time data, and expert insights that can help you make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Don't wait, try it for free today. Just click the link in the description with my code Galore10 for an exclusive 10% discount. Investing in the right stocks at the right time can significantly impact your financial future, and Forecaster is designed to give you that edge. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, look no further than Stocks Galore. Our platform is dedicated to providing you with the insights and tools you need to make smart investment decisions. Whether you're interested in tech stocks, blue-chip companies, or emerging markets, we've got you covered. Join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our community of investors is passionate about finding the best opportunities in the market, and we offer a wealth of resources to help you succeed. From detailed stock analysis to real-time trade alerts, our Patreon members get access to exclusive content that can give them a competitive edge. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. We dive deep into the financials, market trends, and growth potential of each stock, providing you with the information you need to make informed decisions. Investing can be complex, but with the right guidance, you can navigate the market with confidence. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. By joining, you'll gain access to a network of like-minded individuals who are all working towards the same goal, financial success. Share insights, discuss strategies, and learn from each other as you navigate the world of investing together. Link is in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your investing game and be part of a community that's dedicated to helping you succeed. What do you think the future holds for Intel and Nvidia? Will Intel be able to maintain its lead, or will Nvidia find a way to strike back? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights and opinions are valuable, and I look forward to hearing what you think about the future of Intel, Nvidia, and the semiconductor industry as a whole. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis on the latest trends in the tech and investing world. See you on the next one.